Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the Dorbin 259AV mill aluminum vinyl handicap style threshold. Here's what it looks like. This is a cross-section view of it. As you can see, it's a bump-up style threshold. Some people call them latch track. I would refer to this as a bump-up style myself. This is a 4-foot piece, so it's a little more difficult to show it to you in the camera all at once. You can see the screws hanging down here. Number 10 by, inch and a half for sure. Flathead Phillips drive screws. This is, in my opinion, this is a slightly less common or more unusual threshold to sell because of the height. The width is typical at 5-inch. What's less common about it is the height. The overall height is 1/2 inch, okay, at its very maximum, and then it's 1/4 inch over here. So if you've got a steel door and your undercut is 3/4 inch, very typical undercut for a hollow metal door and frame, this would not be the right threshold to use because this is far too short for that application. You'd use a different product by Dorbin. The 261AV might be the one you'd want. But if your undercut is small and you need to still get a bump-up style threshold in there, this would be a great way to go. And it does maintain just a 1/2 inch clearance. Allows you to get away with having a maximum 1/2 inch. So let's take a look at the tape measure and see how this measures out. 5-inch wide, as you can see. 1/2 inch tall. A little harder to see there on the camera. Yeah, it's 1/2 inch overall height. And over here at the web, 1/4 inch is what it is. Available in several different lengths on the website. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicate in the comment field what length you'd want us to cut the material back to. No reason to cut it twice. I mean, other than the notching you would typically have to do around a hollow metal, around the stops and rabbet of a hollow metal frame. The nice thing about us cutting it for you is that this 4-foot piece, if you had to cut it down to 41 inch, you'd be eliminating that screw, and then your other screw locations are not placed where you'd want them to be placed. So when we cut it down, we'll place these countersinks in the proper location, and that would be an advantage of us cutting it down for you. If you have any questions on the Dorbin 259AV aluminum and vinyl, the vinyl seal here, threshold, or any other Dorbin product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.